Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. You can see in the last tutorial I have built this automatic brewer, and because it has because something like that doesn't have enough space. Of course you could do the easy thing and just add more chests, but the thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to build a Shulker loader. So first you place where you want your items to go in. You place a hopper facing in, you barrel your chest, maybe even multiple double chests. The next thing you do is place a hopper facing in any direction. It can be that one and facing in that direction from the barrel in that direction, but not in this and neither in this, so either that or that one. I'm gonna do that one for now, because why not? Place a redstone block and a redstone block behind it, and place 2 redstones on the redstone blocks. Actually I forgot to do that myself. Yeah. You place an observer facing away, so it's so the face is like looking at the redstone. You place a temporary block, add 1 hopper above it, and break the block again. You also need a sticky piston. And now you're gonna break that. Before you do anything other, you're gonna break the floor, place a dispenser looking upwards, and place a dropper facing into the dispenser. The next thing you're going to do is you're gonna place a piston exactly like that. Place an observer here. Place an observer facing down into the dropper. Now you will break 2 blocks and place 2 hoppers connecting to the dropper. You will place a barrel, fill it up with shulker boxes. Once you fill that up with shulker boxes, the only thing you have to do is get a button of any choose of any type you want. Place it on the barrel, and then you have another barrel up here. This doesn't have to be a barrel, it can be a hopper or anything. This barrel just represents, I guess I'm doing a sign for it. It just represents the inputs. Now that everything is done, you just have to start it up. And now because this barrel, you can't actually open the shulker because it was placed away, so you can't open it. So what I'm going to do now is to show you that I'm going to place the shulker so I can open it and fill it up. Nearly full, but not completely. You see nothing happens, but once the last atom is it breaks and the shulker gets loaded into. Okay, I'm gonna show you one more thing. I had a server where pistons couldn't actually move a shulker, and I mean, if you expect probably play the server because you probably know the channel from myself, this channel from the server. This is if anyone from Manualia is here, this will not work on Manualia. But there's another solution for that, and I'm gonna show you the solution right now. Of course you could still let the barrel be here, you can build it on both of the sides of the comparator. But what you're gonna do is do this. And when you do this, you take out your repeater and your redstone. And this. Now, of course it will work, but it doesn't matter if you have if you have a normal piston or a sticky piston. No, because the only reason the sticky piston was a sticky one was because of the observer. That was the only reason. So what I'm doing now is I'm not using a sticky one, and you don't have a button. What you do is you just place the shulker, the first shulker box. Of course now it won't work, but so you can see it again if you fill up the shulker, if you fill up the complete shulker. Besides one, it won't work if you add the last one. Okay, wait, this should not. Oh yeah. Sorry. Completely forgot that. Yeah, like you can let it one stay here. You can let it stay like that, and you should probably. No, it doesn't really matter that much, but just add just do the last repeater on full as well. Or that, like, what, not the first repeater. You know what I mean, you literally see it. So yet again. So this is nearly filled up. Nothing happens. Now, this repeating 2 times is, you can make it stop by doing the same thing like this. No, you can't stop it. What I'm talking about. So like that, it will work, and still again input, and that will stay the same. I hope you liked the tutorial and it helped you to either build it on and on. And if I were you, I also would put a barrel one to the side, because an M or my Malia, or short for my Malia, has a plugin that messes with the redstone a bit. So I would just put 2 blocks here as well, so the shulker doesn't fall out of the machine. Yeah, that's all, and hope I see you next time.